Hey, little week in review in the grain markets for the fourth Friday of December. And this week, the grain markets did have a shortened week with the Christmas holiday. They closed early on Christmas Eve, the 24th, and was closed all day Christmas Day on the 25th. Back open on Friday. The prices I'm going to give you, they're not the settled prices, but they're very close to the closing prices of the day. So the WTI was trading at $57.03 a barrel. That is on the low end of the week. March corn trading around $4.50 a bushel. That's up at the top end of the trading week this week with an RSI of 56. Then on March soybeans at $10.73 and a quarter. That was a very mid-range price for the week with an RSI of 38. And July wheat at $5.42 and a half, again mid-range for the week with an RSI of 46. So we did have a couple of Brazilian production updates this week. One on corn was reduced ever so slightly from the month before. They have been talking about maybe some dry areas being affected in that production. But over the last 15 days, it looks like the majority of the country has been at normal or above normal precipitation. And Rural updated their soybean production number and they increased it. So they're at 180.4 million metric tons. That is up from their last number of 178.5 million metric tons in November. And just to let you know what type of increase we're talking about, the number last year was at a 171.5 million metric tons. So if we go from a 171 up to a 180 something, that is quite an increase. Exports for both corn and beans this week were higher than expected. We did see multiple flash sales of soybeans to China, which is good. Soybeans continue to be above normal pace. On Christmas, after Christmas, we did see an increase in the price in the stock market and precious metals.